in a matter of seconds, the village of Quintrell Downs near Newquay was transformed into a scene of absolute chaos as a mini tornado tore through the community during Storm Eowyn. Residents watched in disbelief as the sudden violent winds wreaked havoc, leaving a trail of destruction that shocked local inhabitants. Eyewitness Cheryl Fors, a resident of Quintrell Gardens, described the terrifying moment as a freak occurrence. Everything was twirling in the air, she recalled, her voice capturing the surreal nature of the event. Plant pots, debris, and other loose objects became projectiles in the intense wind, highlighting the tornado's unexpected and violent force. The damage was extensive and immediate. Multiple properties suffered significant structural damage, with roofs partially torn away and trees uprooted across the area.
Now you phone your mum.
A local garage bore the brunt of the tornado's fury, with 8 cars sustaining damage, a testament to the storm's raw power. Meteorological experts noted that Storm Eowyn was experiencing explosive cyclogenesis, commonly known as a bomb cyclone. This meteorological phenomenon involves a rapid and dramatic drop in atmospheric pressure, creating conditions conducive to extreme weather events like the tornado that struck Quintrell Downs. The impact extended far beyond this small Cornish village. The entire island of Ireland was placed under a red weather warning, signalling the storm's potential for widespread destruction. Authorities across Ireland and Northern Ireland took preemptive measures, closing schools and universities to protect public safety. In the United Kingdom, transportation services braced for major disruptions. The combination of damaging winds, potential power outages, and the risk of flying debris created a perfect storm of challenges for local infrastructure and emergency services.
Right through the trees.
While the tornado's duration was brief, lasting mere seconds, its impact will be remembered for far longer. As Storm Eowyn continues to move across the region, residents are advised to stay informed, follow local emergency guidance, and prioritise their safety. The events in Quintrell Downs stand as a powerful illustration of the potential fury that can be unleashed by a sudden and unexpected meteorological event.